How to log into Union Home Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, tap on Union Home Mortgage login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Scroll down, navigate to this one website option, open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now, from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the email address, then type in the password. Instead of password, you can also use access code to log in. If you want to do so, click on the option of mortgage signer with access code. With that, you will be receiving code in your email address. You have to type in that code, and by that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on the option of login, and with that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into Union Home Mortgage account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.